Are you looking to take your learner's permit test online in New York City? It's easier than you think. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to get you started. First, head over to the official DMV website at dmv.ny.gov. Once there, look for the Licenses, Permits, and IDs section on the top left and click on it. Then select the option for Learner Permits. On the Learner's Permit page, scroll down until you find the information for preparing for the test. You'll see a link to access a driver's manual and practice tests. These are super helpful to get you ready. The test is available in 20 different languages, including English, so don't worry about language barriers. Next, figure out what type of ID you need, whether you're applying for a standard permit or a real ID. The website will guide you on what's required. Before applying, gather the necessary documents. This could include proof of identity, age, and residence. To make sure you have everything, use the pre-screening tool on the site. Once you're ready, head to your local DMV office with all the documents and the required fee. You can find your nearest DMV office using the search tool on the site. After submitting your documents and paying the fee, the DMV will contact you with your test date. That's it. Good luck on your learner's permit test and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.